I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day. It's Friday, June 6th, and we are having an inside day. Yeah, it's Friday. Mondays and Fridays are usually definitely the tougher days of the week. Yesterday, we did go outside a bit, and we did a retrace down to that 8 EMA, and we're kind of stuck in here. So, how do we do the trade today? Well, bullish above 596.25. I'm using the $1.25 increments, which are pretty powerful. And then bear below 593.50, going below person's pivot, and retrace. All right, down to the 8 EMA, wherever that is. That'll be our first target. That does move around during the day. In fact, I should probably, hold on. Let me just type it in here. Never too late. There we go. Let's go to the IWM, the Russell, which was definitely a little bit stronger this morning. Yeah, it was above yesterday's price action. We'll see if it can hold. I'm going for this pocket, bullish above 210.50, and then bear below 206.80. Let's check out the QQQs. Similar to the SPY, bullish above 529, except this time I went below the 8 EMA for the trade, bear below 522.75. Let's check out the futures. We've got those E-minis, bullish above 59.80. Keep in mind, I went above that whale. We're still playing around with that big whale trade we spotted the other day, 1,000 contracts at 59.70. So bullish above 59.80, bear below 59.55. Let's check out those NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 21,725, bear below 21,550. Oil still going sideways. Look, it's like railroad tracks over here. So we're going to be bullish above 63.75, bear below 62.40, but it's been a tough trade. Gold having a little bit of trouble right here on this trend line that I drew. So really, yeah, the big trade would be if we closed above there, then I could see much higher highs. But right now we could still flounder around. I don't know, we could possibly even come down there, but let's just take it a level to level. Bullish above 33.95 for the day trade, bear below 33.57 and 50 cents. Let's check out Bitcoin futures. We are going to be bullish above 106,000, bear below 102,400. Let's get to some individual stocks. Nvidia is always in the whisper usually. Bullish above 142 today, bear below 138.50. And of course, we got to talk about Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. That was one of our #1 whispers yesterday to the downside. Massive gains. Hope you guys took advantage of that volatility. However, if you want to trade it today, I like bullish above 307, kind of going for this pocket right here on that 5-minute chart. Bear below 288. We did have some dark pool prints yesterday, 288, 289, 285. So, you know, kind of a print pong kind of trade here. Bear below 288, take some profit at 285 if it does go there. That's where we had a little bit of dark pool action yesterday. Let's go to the downward dog on Lulu. Yeah, look at that. Wow. We actually have an island kind of gapping situation too if we remain there, right? This becomes the island. I looked at it this morning, looked just like a downward dog. Yeah, let me show you. Right? It looks just like the downward facing dog pose. We'll see if it stays there or not. We're going to be bullish above 270, bear below 260. 271 is another very good level. We do have a person's pivot at 270.71. So yeah, you can enter at 270, but at 271 would be another possibility. Let's go to IBIT, IBIT, Bitcoin Trust ETF, bullish above 60 today, bear below 58. Then we've got Rocket Lab, RKLB, bullish above 28, bear below 26. QBTS. Now this is an interesting trade. We have this gap. A couple things going on. Yeah, we got this gap. And we did the gap fake out. They like to take it to the strongest level before the gap and then push it back up again. And then usually if we start to come down again, we'll do the gap fill trade. So will that happen today? Well, we're also on this trend line. So this is a really interesting trade on QBTS, whether it's going to be today or next week. Yep, check that out. Bullish above 17 today, bear below 15.50. Let's go to Amazon. All right, we broke out yesterday and then we up thrusted on high volume. Today is going to be the test of the up thrust. If it fails and starts to move down on lower volume, yep, they sold. So we'll see. I didn't see any massive prints. I saw a couple prints yesterday, but they weren't massive. But bullish above 212 today, bear below 206. Let's check out IoT after earnings trade. Bullish above 42.25, bear below 41. And then we have DocuSign. Yeah, guys. Wow. Another one down big, almost 20% today. Nobody's signing documents. I don't know what's going on. Bullish above 77.50, bear below 74. Watching this moving average right here, the simple 250. Is it going to break below or not? That's the question. That's the trade today. All right, so bullish above 77.50, bear below 74. Excuse me, there you have it. Those are your whispers. Oh my gosh, lost my breath there for a second. For Friday, I got so excited. June 6th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive app room. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.